In this video, I am going to explain the topic articles for classes 9th and 10th. As you all know that our topic is articles. So here we have two type of articles. First one is that is indefinite article and another one is definite article. So here indefinite articles we have two, that is a and an. Why they are known as indefinite articles? Because they do not refer to a particular noun. For example, I saw a man. I saw a man. That man can be any man. I am not talking about a particular man. I am just talking about a man. And next one is that is definite article, that is the. When we are talking about a particular noun. For example, I saw the man who had spoken to us. So I am talking about a particular man to whom we have already spoken. So that is a particular noun. So further, let us talk about the use of article the. So first of all, article the is used for already mentioned or known noun. Clear? Those nouns which have already mentioned by us or which is already known to the second person, for those nouns we use article the. For example, I have bought a new car. The car is very expensive. I have already told about the car and further I am telling more about the already mentioned car. That is why for the rest of the information I am using the. The car is very expensive. Next is the boys were not in the hostel. So here the boys were not in the hostel means I am talking about the boys who are already known to me. So next one is that is we use article the for unique nouns. Unique means the special nouns. For example, the sun, the earth, the stars, the moon. These are the unique nouns. And one more thing, we also use for the directions, because we have four directions and the east, the west, like this. We use the for the directions too. Next is with prepositional phrases or relative clauses. How? For example, the pen, the pen. Now I am talking about a particular pen. So in the further part of the sentence, I am going to give you more information about that pen. The pen which I like. The pen which, that is relative clause. The pen which I like is not available. The pen which I like is not available. Next is that is before adjectives used as noun. When we are using any adjective as a noun, then again we use the for it. For example, it is the duty of the young. It is the duty of the young to support the old. So here young, that is an adjective, but here we are using it as a noun for young generation. We are using word old for the aged people. Clear? So when we are using words, adjectives as a noun, then we again use the. And one important thing is that is we also use the for superlative degrees. For superlative degrees of adjective. Clear? For example, she told him the latest news. She told him the latest news. It means there may be n number of news, but we are talking about the recent, latest news. So latest, that is superlative degree of adjective. So when we are using superlative degree of adjectives, then again we use the article the. Next is, that is before singular noun stands for the whole class. When we are using a singular noun just to represent the whole class. For example, the lion is the king of jungle. So here the lion, when we are using the lion, it means we are talking about the whole class of the lions. That lion is the king of the jungle. Next is, that is with proper nouns. With proper nouns, for example, when we want to denote a family, for example, the Mehtas. Clear? The Mehtas are coming to our party. It means the whole family members of Mehta family. The Mehtas here means the whole family. So next is, that is, we use with the titles and names of newspapers, buildings, mountains, and all the water bodies, oceans, seas, canals, rivers. With all the names of these all nouns, we use article the. For example, the Queen of England, that is a title. The Queen of England. Next is the Himalayas, the Indian Ocean, the United States of America. So here the United States of America, that is before name of countries that include an adjective followed by a noun. The United States, that is an adjective of America. America, that is our noun. So this is all about the use of article the. So in your book there is also mentioned about the omission of article the. There are some cases in which we do not use article the. So for before the uncountable nouns with a journal meaning, we do not use article the with uncountable nouns with a journal meaning. For example, we study science. So here science, that is uncountable noun. So here we couldn't write we study the science. That is wrong. Next is for abstract nouns. Again, we do not use the. For example, honesty is the best policy. We do not write the honesty is the best policy. Clear? That is, honesty is the best policy. Before plural nouns used for the whole class, I have already mentioned that when we have singular noun, singular countable noun, and we are using the with that, then it means we are referring to the whole class. For example, the lion is the king of jungle. But if we are saying here lions are the kings of jungle, so here we will not use the. Before plural nouns used for the whole class, then we will not use article the. Before the names of meals and names of games, again we can't use the. We had breakfast, that is right. We can't say we had the breakfast. It will be wrong. Clear? So, in certain other expressions like at home, on foot, on loan, on rent. So, before the names of languages used as nouns, when we are using name of any language as a noun, then again we do not use the. Why? Because it will become a proper noun. We never use the with a proper noun. For example, we never say the John. In the same way, when we are talking about name of a particular language as a noun, then we can't use the. So here there is an example. He studied Urdu. Clear? But in the other case, when we are using a language, a particular language as an adjective, then we can use article the. For example, the Urdu language is very interesting. Now I am talking about a language. Language here, that is a noun. Which language? Urdu. So here that is an adjective. I am giving further information about the language. So here when we are using name of a language as an adjective, then we can use the. So in expressions for means of travel used generally, when we are talking about means of traveling, for example, by air, by bus, by rail, by sea. In this case, we will not use the. So, there are some more examples and you have to read them. So, this is all about the use of article the. So, let us learn about article a and an. So, here article a and an both stands for one. A is used when it is followed by the word begins with consonant sound. For example, what a beautiful sight. So here word beautiful, it begins with the consonant sound. So that is why we are using A. In case of an, when it is followed by a vowel sound. For example, such an inspiring speech. So here word inspiring, it begins with the vowel sound, so that is why we are using an. So let us learn about the uses of article a and an. We use them before singular countable nouns. For example, I got a letter from my friend. I got a letter. A letter, here letter, that is a countable noun. So I got a letter means one letter from my friend. So we use it where there is a sense of one. So next is with the meaning each. When we have meaning of each in the sentence. For example, last week I replied to 10 letters a day. It means each day I was replying to 10 letters. Next is with names of occupations. When we are talking about the name of the professions or occupations, then again we use article a or an. For example, Amit wants to become an actor. So an actor. So here we use a or an. Next is with an adjective and noun to give more information. When we add any adjective with the noun to give more information, then again we use a or an. For example, my brother is a sensitive child. So, my brother is a child. What kind of child? A sensitive child. Next uses in expressions of speed, price and ratio. Then how? Example is apple cost rupees 40 a kilo. It means what is the cost of price of apples? That is 40 rupees per kg. He drives 60 kilometers an hour. So we are talking about speed. He drives 60 kilometers an hour. Next is when we imply that a person whose name we use with the title is unknown. When name of the person is unknown. For example, Mr. John has John has replaced him. Next one is to make a common noun of a proper noun. When we are making a common noun from a proper noun, just because there are similarities in their features. For example, he is an Inder Singh on the field. Means the person who is in the field, he is like Inder Singh. For example, I am reading a piece of poetry and that very poet has imitated, or you can say has a resemblance with the writings of William Wordsworth. Then I can say this piece of poetry has been written by William Wordsworth. So next one, last one, that is in exclamations before singular and countable nouns. In exclamatory sentences, when we have singular and countable nouns. For example, what a beautiful sight. There can be n number of sights, but we are talking about a beautiful sight. We are talking about a single sight that is very beautiful. Such an inspiring speech. There might be 7, 8, 9 speeches, but we are talking about a particular speech that is such an inspiring speech, that this countable noun is there. So this is all about the use of articles, and before that we finish this topic, we have some cases in which we do not use these articles, and these cases are, first one is before uncountable nouns. We do not use article a or an before uncountable nouns. For example, blood is thicker than water. Here blood and water both are uncountable nouns, so we can't use a or an with uncountable nouns. Before a singular countable nouns, we can't use articles a and an with some singular as well as countable noun. So we have some cases. First one is when we use a nominative of address. For example, come here boy. When we are addressing to a person, come here boy. Wait for some time man. Next case is when we are using possessive pronoun. For example, he has lost his purse. Instead of saying he has lost a purse, we are showing the possession and we are using possessive pronoun, he has lost his purse. And when we are using words some, any, another, every, either, neither, each, etc., then again we do not use articles a and an. When it denotes time and is preceded by last, when we are talking about some time and we are using word last, then we can't use a or an. For example, she was on leave last month. Next is when the countable noun come in pairs. When countable nouns come in pair in a sentence, then again we can't use these articles. For example, both the master and the servant liked it. Next case is when we are using or showing a public institution or a place named after some particular person or place. For example, Christian College, Banaras Hindu University. Next, in exclamatory appositional phrases, here we can't use a, an or though. For example, poor fellow, he should have seen someone. Last one that we have already discussed while learning about the use of article the, that is we can't use any article before before the name of meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper. So this is all about the use of articles a, and the. The next part is that is use of little and few. One thing I just want to clear over here, that is few is used for only countable nouns. So first of all, let me clear the meaning of these words. So little, few, a little, a few, the little, the few. They have same sense, but the only difference is this is only used with countable nouns. So first one is little. Little means hardly something. For example, little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Little here, that is in negative sense. That much quantity that is not sufficient. For example, little did they know of the danger. Simply we are saying that they, in the other words we can say that they are knowing nothing. Second is a little. A little means a small amount, something that is sufficient. For example, a little rice was left over after the meals. Third one is the little. The little means a small amount but as the whole. For example, the little rice which was left over after the meals was given to the servant. So here in the same way we have word few. Few means something that is in negative meaning, that is not sufficient. Example is, during hard times few people come forward to help. Means hardly few people. There might be no one. Next is a few, that is sufficient. Since it was raining heavily, a few people only turned up for the party. Next is the few, again in small amount but the whole. The few people who had come for the party left before 8 p.m. So this is all about the topic little and few.